Thomas. Mae hwnna'n bas dda, Jones. A mae Jones wedi heibio'r goli! Mae'n ei roedd ei heibio ar ôl gwneud y gwaith caled i gyd. Nath o mor dda. Ac yn y diwedd oedd hwnnw yn gyfle Malcolm Allen. A mae'r pwysau yn dal yna! Ac oedd angen o'r arbediad o ergyd Bradley. Ac oedd o bron iawn ag achub cam Kai Jones am hanner munud i Caernarfon. A rhywsut, rhywfodd, mae'n dal yn ddi-sgor.
A dyna beth wedi digwydd efo'r chwaraewyr sy'n gynno Caernarfon.
A dyma Thomas yn gwneud cyfle arall i Kai Jones. A Kai Jones gymryd y cyfle. Anhyfiwch am y cyfle gafodd i fethu. Mae wedi gwneud yn iawn. Ac unwaith eto, yn bwydo oedd Thomas. Ac mae rhaid i chi ddeud, ar dystiolaeth y 5 i 10 munud diwetha, mae Caernarfon yn heiddi bod ar y blaen, a maen nhw, o gol i ddim. Lam mewn at Davies, mae Davies yn cael cyfle fan hyn. Oedd presenoldeb Nathan Craig yn ddigon.
Mae Davies yn neud y beth anghywir efo'i gyffyrddiad cyntaf. Mae'r efo ddod ar draws Nathan yma na, ond nath o mae'r gyhoeddi fi 1000 waith bod o'n mynd i gael y bel allan o'i daid a bod o'n mynd i gael ergyd ar draws y golwr i fewn i'r gol.
Mae hwnna'n bas i mewn i'r cwrcos a ddim cam sefyll am ddiffyn di heidio dda. Thomas! Arbediad adweithiol campus gan Fuller, ond mi adweithiodd o ath i syth ato fo unrhyw ochr, da chi'n meddwl gol. Mae hwnna'n bas dda. Nawr te, Elliot Evans, mae wedi bod yn dawel! Ac mae'r cyfle disgyn i Lam! Ac fel oen i'r lladdfa, mae o'n difetha mantes Caernarfon. A di Ramsey Drian ddim yn hapus. Fe welwch chi hynny mor aml yn rhwystro'r cyfle cyntaf, ond wedyn mae'r ail ar blat. Dach chi yn rhyw deimlo falle mae'r gol nesaf os yn ennill y gêm. Mae'r bel yn dod i Lwybr Bris. Nawr tewn y gyfle fan hyn. Mowr!
Y Gigos Watson.
Gigos Watson yn dydi mae o. A Fuller yn, wel, hollol wyllt ar Brwcwel, mae rai chi ddeud. Ai dyma'r gol sy'n mynd i ennill y gêm. Arbediad! Mae'n nôl at Craig! Mae'n lwcus! A mae'n sgorio! A mae Caernarfon yn ôl ar y blaen. Am ddrama! Nathan Craig yn ar ôl eto. Ond ar y blaen o 2-1.
We knew that Cardiff Met in the second half were going to come at us, and they've thrown absolutely everything. I thought just towards the end of the storm they were throwing at us, to be fair. I thought we weathered it. Alex hasn't been called into too many saves, to be fair, and then I think the one that he has, obviously they followed in. But the lads, to be fair, like you said, Max, have shown tremendous character. You know, to find ourselves a goal, obviously a bit fortuitous. That's probably the first one of 100 penalties that Nathan's missed, but 2-1 and 3 points, yeah, absolutely buzzing with it.
Ben, what a debut that was.
Yeah, it was a great performance from the lads. They fought hard to get the win, and yeah, it was a tough battle. We knew they were going to come out because they're a good team, and I thought we battled well, and we deserved the 3 points.
And how do you rally the boys after this then?
There's nothing much wrong there. It's little individual errors. It's not the case of we haven't played well. We've dominated the second half. We're the only team who's going to win, 100%. It's just cutting them errors out, and it's happening slightly too often at the moment. And we've got to turn around again the game on Tuesday now. So I've told the boys, just cut them errors out and you'll be more than comfortable winning games.